Replacement cost. It's one of the most basic concepts when you buy a homeowner's insurance policy, but it's one of the hardest things for our customers to understand. When our customers think about replacement cost, they often think about market value. They bought the house for $300,000. If they wanted to replace it, they might buy the one down the street for roughly the same price. When an insurance company thinks replacement cost, they're thinking about rebuilding your house where it sits. They think about it from a $200 to $250 square foot to reconstruct it standpoint. And so that 2,000 square foot house that you bought for $300,000, if it's valued at $200 to $250 a square foot in rebuilding cost, that's $400 to $500,000 in replacement cost. So we get that question a lot where somebody has a mortgage for $300,000 or $300,000 minus their 20% down payment, and they're insuring it for $400,000 or $500,000 and they can't understand it. Well, that's why. Insurance companies are planning on rebuilding the house where it sits. If you want to know more, or maybe you don't want to know more, you just want us to make it easy for you, give us a call.